Welcome to our video on cardamom, a spice that has been used for centuries for its unique flavor and health benefits. Cardamom is a spice made from the seed pods of various plants in the ginger family. It is native to the Indian subcontinent and Indonesia and is one of the world's most expensive spices, second only to saffron. Cardamom plants grow in tropical and subtropical climates and are cultivated in India, Sri Lanka, Guatemala, Tanzania, and other countries. Cardamom pods are picked when they are still green and then dried in the sun. They are then sorted and sold as whole pods or as ground powder. There are two main types of cardamom, green and black. Green cardamom is the most common variety and is used in sweet and savory dishes, while black cardamom has a smokier flavor and is used in savory dishes. Cardamom has a strong, sweet, and pungent flavor and is often used in Indian, Middle Eastern, and Scandinavian cuisines. It is a key ingredient in many spice blends, including garam masala, ras al hanout, and chai masala. Cardamom is also a popular flavor in tea and coffee, especially in the Middle East and Asia. In addition to its culinary uses, cardamom has many health benefits. It has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years to treat digestive problems, respiratory problems, and infections. Cardamom is a good source of antioxidants and contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. To use cardamom in cooking, it is best to use whole pods and crush them with a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder. This will release their oils and maximize their flavor. To make cardamom tea, simply add crushed cardamom pods to your tea leaves and brew as usual. Cardamom oil is also available and can be used in aromatherapy to reduce stress and anxiety. Cardamom is a versatile spice that can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. It pairs well with cinnamon, cloves, and ginger, and can be added to smoothies, baked goods, and curries. And of course, cardamom cookies are a delicious treat that everyone should try at least once. So whether you're using it for its unique flavor or its health benefits, cardamom is a spice that should definitely be a staple in every kitchen. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new about this wonderful spice.